Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing another technology review, right? My name is Super Mech Guy, so might as well do some, mechanical stuff on the channel. Today's review is going to be for the Paladou lavalier 3.5mm jack microphone. So we're going to start off the video with an unboxing. I'm going to show you what comes in the packaging, how the packaging looks like, and what you can expect to receive when you order a Paladou 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, everybody, so this is going to be your standard case you get in the mail for the Paladou microphone. It's pretty snazzy, comes nice, well protected. It tells you all the features that are available on the sides of it for what you could use it for. And that's the inside of the box. Now, what you see there, you get a little carrying case and you get two manuals right there. First, I'm going to show you guys the manuals just in case anything you need to go over, you can see on screen. Now, you get two of them. As you see there, the Paladou lavalier microphone manual and the Paladou manual for Apple devices. There is a whole section dedicated to how to connect this mic for your Apple devices. I do not have an iPhone, so I can't test it on iPhone devices or any iDevice, but you should be able to use this with your iPhones or any iPad or, anything in the Apple range of products. Just follow the instructions that are on the screen or in the packaging you receive, and that should help you out. And that is the first manual done, and you also get another one too that you guys saw earlier. Now here's the actual case the package comes in. Well, not the actual package, where your microphone gets bundled in. Pretty nice. I don't see many microphone manufacturers doing this, giving you a case to carry it in. Pretty awesome on their part. So it's like a little travel case, you can take it with you. So there's the actual microphone for the Paladou microphone. There it is. I took off the little windscreen protector right there, and it's a 3.5mm jack type of mic, lavalier. You clip it onto your shirt and boom, you're ready to go. You plug it in your phone. And there it is. There's the 3.5mm jack. Also, keep in mind, you do get two adapters when you buy this microphone. Now I'm going to show you both of them on screen right now. I think one of them is to be used on your computer in case you're trying to use it on your computer. And the other one is intended for cameras and that sort of thing. The manual goes into detail about which ones, and I'll get back to you guys later on in the video about which one does what exactly, but I do believe the shorter one is intended to be used with your laptop computer. And it's pretty easy to use, you just plug it in the jack, although I do mind this. Please plug it in all the way, because these are some very, very tight jacks. You really got to get it in there, so don't be afraid to get physical with it, get physical. And there's the other jack, the smaller one. Not as long as the other one, but it still gets the job. And also in the travel case, you get an extra windscreen. Very nice of them, very nice. Just in case you lose your original windscreen, you have a backup already set to go, just in case you lose it. And right now I'm going to do a little rundown of everything that comes inside of the little carry case, and it's the microphone and the two adapters and the other little windscreen you get sent to you by Paladou. So yeah, that's about it. That's all for the unboxing portion of this review. And now we're going to switch it up and we're going to go into my breakdown and what I think about it. And stay tuned for that. And via the magic of editing, we're going to go into there in 3, 2, 1. Okay, everybody, the next portion of this review will be done solely on the Paladou microphone. So this is going to be the quality you're going to be receiving for the order of the Paladou microphone, the 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone. Right now I have it plugged into my computer, and let me talk about what I think about it. First off, I want to make a declaration of warning to everybody who's using this microphone incorrectly. The first time I plugged it into my phone, I was being silly and I didn't realize what I was supposed to do. So here's a little simple tip that's gonna help you avoid any headaches down the lane. Number one, make sure all your plugs are plugged in correctly and tight. Sometimes you plug it in and you think it's all the way with these connections, really give it a nice good tug in there, get physical with it. They really need to be tightened correctly, or else they won't be able to work the way they were intended to work. So if you want your microphone to work, I suggest you plug it in all the way, get a nice little click in there. That's really going to help you avoid a lot of troubles down the road. Number two, when you're recording on a cell phone or tablet, I guess, if you want to hear your recording, most people would just play the recording, right? But they don't hear any sound. Simple solution to that: you're supposed to unplug your microphone when you're done recording, and then that will allow your
device, your tablet or your phone, to recognize your phone speakers once again, and the audio of your recording will play through your sound speakers so you can hear it this time. So if you're going to record on your phone, just remember to unplug your microphone from the phone, from the 3.5mm jack, and after you unplug it, you'll be able to hear your voice, your recording, and there shouldn't be any problems on that matter. Now, if your device isn't recognized by your phone or whatever, in the manual, they do tell you some ways you can make it recognized by downloading an app, I believe. So there is another way to assist you in case you can't connect this to your phone. Now, I only tested it on my phone and laptop, and I have not tested it on tablets or video cameras, but I do believe there's another reviewer on here who did test it out on a camera, and it worked fine for him. I'll find a link for his video, and I'll put it in the video description, just in case you guys are trying to use this for a camera setting, so you guys can see his review, and he does it more with the cameras than I do, so yeah, check out that guy's review. All right, so the number two thing here about laptops, connectivity wise. Okay, right now I have it connected to my laptop right now. It wasn't the easiest setup. All right, so the two adapters you only technically get one adapter. Now you see the other one is an extension cable of sorts, just in case the original adapter isn't long enough to reach your intended device, which is cool on their part. You know, I applaud Paladou for giving us an extension cable. Now here is where the problems start setting in for this little microphone. I could not connect it to my computer at first. Now you see I have a laptop, an HP Pavilion, and it has one headphone jack, right? The 3.5mm jack. It doesn't have two, it only has one, unfortunately, as do most laptops do, I believe. Now with the included adapter, I was able to connect to my laptop, but it was a really bad sound. Like, something was off. I don't know if it's because I got a defective plug or something, but it just didn't sound right. And I'll play a clip of me using the microphone with my adapter so you guys can hear.
This is a test of the Paladou lavalier microphone with the included adapter. This is a test of the Paladou lavalier microphone with the included adapter connected to my HP laptop.
So that was a clip of me using the Paladou lavalier microphone on my laptop with the Paladou adapter that they sent me. So yeah, there's obviously something wrong there. The sound is not very good at all. So that was kind of a bust. That was kind of a bummer seeing that. Now, fortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I have something called the USB audio stereo sound adapter by Sabrent. I recommend you buy the Sabrent USB sound adapter if you're looking to use this on your laptop, maybe, you know. And this also comes in handy too with other microphones that, you know, might need a lot more power than what your laptop can currently offer. This thing is also useful for like those toner or newer microphones, those whole like podcast setup, streamer setup. These work fine for those, right? I was using my Sabrent adapter for a other microphone of that, so I think it's a toner microphone. So what I ended up doing, what you're hearing right now, is the adapter, the Sabrent USB audio adapter, connected to my laptop, and the microphone is connected to the adapter that came with the microphone, and that adapter is connected into the Sabrent USB sound adapter. That's the only way I was able to get it to play on my computer at a satisfactory sound. Now, I was able to connect it earlier without the Sabrent, but like the audio sample showed earlier, it wasn't the prettiest of sounds, and now with the Sabrent adapter, it seems to be a lot more solid, a lot more stabilized, and not a lot of issues there. So let's get to the climax of this review, right? The last battle, what's that last battle of Mobile Suit Gundam? The Battle of Axis, I think. The Battle of Jaburo. Well, anyways, you guys know what battle I mean. The Paladou 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone, I think, is a good microphone if you're going to use it for things like your iPad or your iPhone or your smartphone, you know, stuff like that, or your camera, because it works fine with my phone. I have a Samsung based phone, and that worked fine with it. I'll leave an audio clip too here so you guys can hear it.
Hey everybody, this is a audio test for the Paladou 3.5mm lavalier microphone on my Samsung smartphone. This is the type of quality you will be receiving from the 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone from Paladou on a smartphone. This is plugged in via the 3.5mm jack on my smartphone.
So things of that nature, I think it's perfectly fine for that. And also, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer or anything, so I'm gonna give some pros to this product. it's very portable. The portable case they give you is something that I wish more companies would do. The previous company didn't send me one of those little portable cases, but it's a little bit more, easier to use. So I'll let that slide. They do give you the portable case. They give you the plug, the adapter, and the extra windscreens. So the little travel case, I think, is a great little thing to add to them that they're giving you. Also, if you're looking for portability from this microphone, this is the one for you. You don't have to carry any big luggage or anything for this. You can literally just put this in your pocket and you're ready to go. Plug it into your camera, plug it into your phone, and boom, you're ready to record. Now, where this microphone does let down is for laptop and PC purposes. Now, mind you, I am using a laptop. This might work fine for a PC since those have dedicated plugs. But from my personal experience, if you're looking to buy a microphone for laptop purposes, for commentary purposes or stuff like that, I only recommend this if you have a USB sound adapter like I do. If you don't, I wouldn't bother buying this for like your laptop or anything. That's just the simple truth there. It might be a little harsh, but that's the truth. I wouldn't recommend buying this if you're only going to be using this for your laptop. But if you're going to be using this for your cell phone or your tablet or your camera, you're better off with those areas than you are with using your laptop. I'm not saying it's impossible to use it with your laptop. No, by far no. I'm using it right now on my laptop with the Sabrent USB audio adapter, and it's working just fine. But the thing is here is what I'm looking for in a product when I review them is, what's the ease of use? And do I have to take any extra steps to use said product, In this case, for the Paladou mic, you do have to take an extra step in order for it to work properly, in my opinion. Now, granted, this could just be me getting a bad plug. That could totally be the reason why it didn't work correctly. I may be getting a bad one. You might have no issues at all regarding this, regarding the plugs or anything. But me personally, I did run into a little trouble connecting to my computer. So if you're looking to stay in a budget range for these types of things, then I recommend you don't buy it if you're looking for something only for your laptop. That's if you only want to use this on your laptop, because if you want to start crunching numbers, the Sabrent audio adapter is $7, right? With taxes, it's like $8, right? The lavalier microphone from Paladou is $17, right? So you're already going to add an extra $7, $8 to the original price of the $17, right? And most people, I think, want a product that's ready to go from out of the box. They don't have to mess around or anything with that, right? But for anything else, it's a great microphone. I think the sound quality is good. I don't think it's bad at all. I think it's really good. It works for your phone. We've proven that earlier. It does work for your laptop, albeit you do need to do a little workaround for that. I haven't tested out on cameras yet, but like I brought up earlier, there is another review that they did have a camera test and it worked just fine. So the Paladou lavalier microphone, I think, is a good buy if you're looking for a small portable device, a microphone that isn't too obtrusive like those big studio those big studio cardioid condenser, setups or stuff like that. If you don't want to be carrying a Blue Yeti or a Blue Snowball or an Audio Technica or a Newer or a Toner or a a Shure in your pocket, or in your travel bag, this is a very great solution. It's very compact, very tight, very, small. And it really does have I think, good audio quality sound to it. I don't think it's garbage. No, by far, I don't think it is. My headphones sound like pure garbage. Oh, no, just to drive my point across, I'm going to be doing an audio comparison between these microphones and the microphone from my integrated headset that I just bought, the MPOW 059s. So right now, I'm going to play a test of the MPOW 059s, and then I'll play a test the back of my normal voice.
Hey everybody, this is a test for the MPOW 059 headphones that I bought recently. This is the quality you can expect from the integrated microphone. This is a test of the MPOW headphone integrated microphone.
Alright everybody, so that's pretty much it for the review. Do I recommend it? Yes and no. And the yes and no, that's mainly due to the part for the computer part, which I had trouble with. Decent microphone for the price, not a bad sound at all. And if you want to buy it, go ahead. It should be working for your phone, your cameras, and it does work for your laptop. But like I brought up earlier, you do need a little workaround for that, right? Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you for staying tuned here to the channel. More videos to come. I want to say a thank you to Paladou for sending me the microphone to review for them. And if you guys have any questions in the, about the video or about the microphone, specifically the microphone, right? Leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to help you as best as I can. If you guys need any links to any of this, I'll leave a link in the description where you can find all the stuff I was talking about. No, these are not Amazon affiliate links. I do not get a single cent from them. The only satisfaction I get is helping you guys find the gear you need in order to succeed in your audio life, I guess you could say. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Adios. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.